A high-voltage feed-through capacitor includes a grounding fitting, a capacitor, an insulating case, a through conductor, and an insulating filler. The grounding metal has a raised portion on one side. The capacitor has two through holes, has two divided electrodes on one surface side where the through holes open, has a common electrode on the other surface side, and the common electrode is connected to one surface of the raised portion. Mounted on one side of the raised part, there are two through conductors, each having a tab terminal portion at one end of the rod-like conductor portion, connected to the divided electrode, and led through the capacitor and the grounding metal fitting. The insulating case is fitted to the outer periphery of the raised portion of the ground metal fitting, and the insulating filler is filled around the capacitor inside the insulating case. A magnetron provided with a filter circuit for suppressing leaking of the electromagnetic wave of the magnetron. First and second choke coils have their respective first ends serially connected to two externally protruding leads for supporting a cathode filament of the magnetron. A feed-through capacitor is parallelly connected to the second ends of the first and second choke coils respectively. The feed-through capacitor is constituted by a dielectric ceramic material having a relative dielectric constant which satisfies whereby sound pressure produced by the feed-through capacitor is reduced without increasing the size of the feed-through capacitor and while keeping the necessary breakdown voltage characteristic and necessary electrostatic capacity. In a magnetron provided with a filter circuit which is constituted by two choke coils connected in series, at their respective first ends, to two protruding leads for supporting a filament, and a feed-through capacitor connected in parallel to the respective second ends of the choke coils. The feed-through capacitor is constituted by a dielectric ceramic material having a relative dielectric constant which the requirement of the capacitor. The electrostatic capacity of the dielectric ceramic material is set to be in a range of C from 100 to 300 pF, and the inductance L of the choke coils is set to be nearly equal to 1 microhenry. 1 microhenry is equal to 1/1 millionth of a henry.